Hi guys, this is Trilokan Balram, co-founders of Easy Connect. Before we get deep into Easy Connect, we would like to introduce ourselves. I did my undergrad in computer science and MBA from Texas Christian University. I have 7+ years of experience across various roles and domains. I founded 2 successful ventures in the past. In my last venture, I was responsible for generating 1 million USD in revenue and scaling team from 0 to 200 in 4 months. In the past, I have worked with multinationals like Microsoft, Citrix, and Mindtree.
I'm an undergrad in computer science engineering. My first tryst with entrepreneurship came when I was 19 years old when I co-founded an event management startup. And since then I've been bitten by the entrepreneurship bug. Post that I went on to successfully build an infotainment content generation startup with a global clientele. My 4+ years of work experience also includes a pre-sales technology consulting role at Akamai Technologies and a strategic management stint at a microfinance company.
Let me give an overview of Easy Connect and why we started this. In my past venture, I had global clientele and I wanted a seamless voice-based sales and customer support systems. I scouted extensively for such solutions but ended up finding none. Although there were multiple cloud telephony solution providers, they were local to their own geographies. That meant I had to work with multiple providers for multiple geographies. Additionally, I had noticed that integrations were complex and redundant. When I discussed this with Balram, who also had global clientele, I understood that both he and his clients were facing similar problems. Then our research indicated that SMEs worldwide had similar challenges while going global.
We realized that this is a pressing problem to tackle which has a significant business potential. Our mutual synergies and empathy towards the problem helps us take a plunge to co-found Easy Connect. Easy Connect allows SMEs to buy local toll-free numbers in 60+ countries. It also provides various plug-and-play apps which integrates efficiently with the customer sales, marketing and customer support systems. Additionally, it also provides meaningful analytics and business intelligence solutions to optimize the customer systems. We both are hustlers with extensive entrepreneurial experiences. We have an awesome tech and design team backed by a group of insightful advisors, and this is why we know that we're the right team to tackle this problem and take Easy Connect to the next level.
I've been part of the entrepreneurial ecosystem in India and US for the last 5 years. I have an extensive network of 400+ investors and entrepreneurs. I'm also part of Startup Leadership Program, which has a worldwide network of 1300+ entrepreneurs. I plan to leverage this network to help fellow Startup Chile entrepreneurs. I'm also on board of a top technical university in India and I mentored many student ventures. I also wish to mentor student ventures in Chile as well.
I'm a Real Acad Entrepreneurial Stanford Fellow. Real Acad provides a lifelong network to tap into useful entrepreneurial communities such as Harvard Pair, Stanford ATI, etc. I'm also a Starting Block Fellow at New York. Starting Block selects outstanding social entrepreneurs and provides an unparalleled network of mentors, VCs, connections in the social impact space. We both are really eager to leverage our networks to help our fellow Startup Chile entrepreneurs and the community at large.
That's it folks, we are excited to be part of Startup Chile.